Let's go on Amazon. This is the review unboxing of the RYOBI P262. I already have the battery, so let's do it. Bear with me. Okay. Brushless. Oops. I think it. There you go. It's brushless. Feels good. All right. Half an inch. Okay, let's try it with the battery. Like I said, I already had the battery. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay. Now that's on automatic. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, that's automatic. So 1, 2, 3 speeds plus automatic. All right. Well, I'll test it in a little bit. Thank you.
I just got it. Quality seems real nice. I'm familiar with the RYOBI stuff because I have a whole bag of their tools right there. So we'll see what happens. I'm sure it's going to work fine. My batteries fit because I have all the one tools. So we're good to go. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I look forward to doing business with you again in the future.